So we're gonna take this foundation, the can't stop, won't stop for the... Oh! Because I was like, what the hell is making that sound? I'm just gonna go in with the foundation for the first time. Oh, and it says, shake well. So we're gonna shake well. Whoa, Jody, that's too much. Alright, we're just gonna put one more. Okay, because this is too much foundation. So we're going to blend that out. And I'll tell you how that blends really nice. And the color is nice. Oh my gosh. I think it's drying so fast. I better hurry up. But this color is perfect for me. It looks perfect. Let me not talk too fast. It looks good. I like it. It smells like paint. Really nice. I think I want to go in with a tad bit more. Not a lot, just a little bit, tiny bit more. Just right here and right here. Good. And that should be good. But this is nice, guys. I really like it. And the only thing I don't like is the smell. It smells weird. But it's nice. Let me just pull back my hair a bit and take the foundation a little up my right here. It feels really nice. Feels really nice. I like it. And the color is perfect. I think I did a good job at matching myself online. Nice, 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 nice stuff. Okay, then I'm going to go in with the concealer, and this is in CW. Hopefully this is my shade. But what I don't like about these concealers, it's just small. Look at it. Nothing is in this. Okay, let's see if this concealer works. Oh, I don't like this color. I don't like this color. It's working, but I can tell that I don't really like it. I'm not sure why. Just gonna take some right here. A little reverse contouring. I'm gonna use this brush to blend out the concealer. Oh, but it looks nice. I was complaining, but actually it's nice. I was complaining about the color, but the color is, maybe it's good. It's a nice color. I like it, I like it, I like it. Oh, how you make me feel, can't nobody do this for you. And when you're gonna do, don't care what nobody say. Oh, I like it, I like it. Oh, one day we'll be in the Cadillac. Yes, crazy, but it's in the name of love. Yeah, this is nice. Nice. This is pretty good. This is pretty nice. I really like it. I was complaining, but I really like it. I was complaining, but I really like it. Complain, but I really like it. Complain, but I really like it. Complaining. So now we're gonna go in with my favorite, my black opal invisible. I'm gonna go in with my black opal invisible powder. My favorite. Like so. And then I'm just gonna tap off the excess, because this is very nice, guys. I love it. Let's take some down my nose bridge. Right here. Right here. How does my face look so far? Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution, of course, the P16. And we're going to be using this now to contour. I'm going to be using my Sylyne 114 contour brush. I'm just going to take a little on the brush. We're just going to contour. I am going to go in with this brown. This is the 106 brush from Sylyne. Just gonna take a little down the nose right here. So now we're gonna go back in with this palette, and now we're gonna use the eyeshadows because we're gonna do an eye look. We're not gonna go in with any crazy color because this, of course, this is a neutral palette. So I'm gonna go in with this color. No, I'm gonna go in with this one, this dark brown, this one. I'm gonna use a concealer to just prime, just in case. I'm gonna use this brush now to just blend it out. Okay, going now with the same color that I said I was gonna use, this one. And we're just gonna blend that into the crease. See? Very nice, nice color. Easy to blend and so forth. Very pigmented, very good. It's just a transition shade anyway, so I'm not expecting anything, you know, super amazing from a transition shade. Just taking that on the lids. I think I want to do a wing line just for, you know. I'm gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics number 5 brush. This is Studio Pro brush. Studio Pro brush. Ooh, nice. This is pretty. Very nice, very nice, very nice, and very nice. I'm feeling this look. You see what I'm seeing? Look at this, to this. And we are going to do a wing. So I'm going to use the Renaissance Flick from Makeup Revolution. This, yeah. We're not going to do like a long old, just going to do a nice wing. Nice, yes, this wing is fine. I'm okay with this wing. Now I'm gonna take a little color. I'm gonna take some of the black, this one. I'm gonna take it to my lower lids. And this black is nice and black. And I'm gonna go in back in with the same brown that we use at the as the transition shade. Okay, yes guys, so I went ahead and we did our lashes. So we're just gonna take my lashes here. Now I'm going to be using this brush, and I'm going to take this. This is a highlighter shade, but I'm not going to use this highlighter, of course not. But I want to take this at the inner corners because notice I use a little bit right here just to give the look a little bit of, you know, splash of color. Just to make the look pop. And this is a nice like highlighter shade, like duochrome kind of look. Nice. I'll put a little bit more over here. And then a little bit under here. Yes! We're gonna go in with highlighter, but I'm scared of this highlighter, to be honest. I want to use my fan brush, but I'm a little bit scared. I hope it looks good. This one. And I hope it looks good. Let's see how it looks. It's golden. Okay. I hope it looks good. Oh, okay, not bad. Oh. Okay. Oh, not bad at all. Nice, not bad at all. It ain't bad at all. You know, I feel adventurous, but you know, I'm gonna behave myself. Yeah, but the palette is nice, not bad at all. Not bad at all. It even has like a contour shade that I didn't really use because I'm scared. But let me just try it. It even has like a contour shade. I'm gonna use this now to just kind of fade out the... Yes, this is really a contour shade. Oh craps, look at that. Ooh. Okay, the contour shade is a contour shade. Oh my gosh. I didn't know that it was going to be like a contour shade. It is a contour shade. Yeah, so this is really nice. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the same highlighter shade, this one at my brow bone. Nice. And let's take some right here. So, oh, I want to take some down my nose bridge. But we're going to do the same blending motion that I like to do. Instead of just drawing a line, just going to blend it like so. You ready for the lip gloss? Okay, I'm gonna put on my wig and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so yes, we are finished with the look and I went ahead and I just put on my wig. It's a little bit because I washed some of my wigs, so this one was a little bit damp, but you know, it's not fully dry, so that's the reason why I think I put it in a bun, but in two little ponytails. But it works, looks nice, and I'm feeling jazzy. And this palette, it's simple, yet it works. It's simple, but it works. This contour shade is, yes, it works. And it comes with two. So one is a little bit lighter and one is for if you're a darker shade. So this palette is like a universal palette. You get highlighters for, you know, if you're my skin tone, it works, as you can see. Nice glow. And then you have this nice pinky duochrome color, works. And the eyeshadows, pretty nice, pretty decent, and they work. Nice pigment, as you can see. This eye look, a simple palette, yeah, it works. And the foundation, pretty lightweight, and the highlighter shade works. Everything feels nice and lightweight, and I love the brow powder. Yes, I say yes. My black opal invisible powder, love it. Lashes from Aliexpress, these lashes from Aliexpress, yes. Powder, matte base powder, P16 to do my contouring. So yeah, so I love this look guys, and so thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I would really appreciate it.